So what got you to decide to bring your dog to the hockey game?
Well, we saw the ad at Pick and Save and thought we'd have a fun time this afternoon with our doggies here at the Admirals game.
You ever done this before?
No, it's first time for us.
What prompted you to bring your dog to the hockey game?
We bring him every year. It's great. He has a blast.
What brings you to the hockey game?
It's dog day. Wouldn't miss it.
So what prompted you to bring your dog to the Admirals game?
This is our third year. It was just a lot of fun. Actually, it was one of these games that prompted me to rescue this little guy, and it's just a good time.
So what prompted you to come to the Admirals game with the dog?
Well, he likes hockey more than I do, so I figured the only time he gets to see it is now, so better bring him in.